Look at the cheap materials that they give you with the MC20 compared to a Grecale GT, which is the cheapest Maserati. The door card gets the Sono fibers, but this is aluminum in the Grecale. It's freaking plastic in a car that's over 300 grand. In the Grecale, you get a flat bottom steering wheel, push button start, aluminum paddle shifters. Look how large they are. And the MC20 is basically the same damn steering wheel. Yeah, you get the cool doors that open up like this and carbon fiber that's going to be exposed, but the Grecale gets a digital clock and you can change it to a compass, you can change it to the G-force or even your G-meter. And don't even start with the exhaust sound. I mean, listen to the Grecale. And then listen to the MC20. So do you think it's right that the Grecale is 3 times cheaper and it has better interior amenities than an MC20 Cielo? Let me know in the comments what you think about those aesthetics.